Okay, it's Luxury Fred, and I'll give you 3 guesses as to where I am. Does that give it away? Recognize that? That's Alcatraz, the Rock. And I am here in San Francisco. And if you know San Francisco, you know some of the big tourist attractions are Alcatraz, and one of the other big ones is Ghiradelli Square. So if you look up there, you see the Ghiradelli Square sign, the iconic sign you see on all kinds of San Francisco images and things like that. So we are here at Ghiradelli Square, and I'm not just here as a tourist. This is my hotel. And as you can see, we'll start with, we have this outdoor terrace here with a fire pit that actually seems to go 24 hours a day. So you can sit out here on the terrace with your friends, and you have these amazing sweeping views of San Francisco Bay. And I think they almost call it bridge to bridge because the Bay Bridge is on the far right, and then I'm not sure, I believe the Golden Gate Bridge is that way, but you can literally see the whole bay from bridge to bridge. So as I was saying, I'm not just here hanging out at Ghiradelli Square. This is a hotel, and not just any hotel. This is a Fairmont hotel. And to be honest with you, I didn't even know this hotel was here. And I come to San Francisco a lot, and I stay at the Fairmont San Francisco a lot. So this is not the Fairmont San Francisco. This is the Fairmont Hertiage Place, Ghiradelli Square. And it's a unique property. It's part of Fairmont's fractional ownership division. So some of the units are, you can buy them with fractional ownership. In fact, you can even buy you can buy the units outright here as well. There are some units for sale. So the fractional ownership units, when they're not being used by the owners, they are rented out as hotel rooms. So you can go online on any of the popular booking sites or on the Fairmont website, and you can book individual rooms just like any other hotel. So the good thing, or when you have a hotel that everything in it is fractional, is actual residences, that means that the accommodations, the units, are going to be incredible. So all the units here, they don't have like small hotel rooms. They don't have anything compact. Everything they have is either 1 or 2 bedroom apartments. And when I say apartments, real apartments with a full kitchen and a living room and a big TV with surround sound so you can have people over, and great for having parties and great for having dinner parties. You've got a fancy kitchen, and you've got multiple bedrooms. You've got a washer and dryer. I'll show you all this stuff. But again, it's more than just a hotel room because people actually live here. So I'm here in an incredible 2-bedroom residence. It's number 220, and let me take you inside for a tour. It's not often I'm left speechless by a hotel room or a hotel suite where I can't stop just walking around and looking at everything. Today, I am speechless. So let's start with, look at what's out there. See that? Yes, the Rock, Alcatraz Island. So this is my hotel suite. It's not a hotel lobby, it's not a restaurant, it's not a store. This enormous, beautiful, stylish space is my hotel suite. So the Fairmont Hertiage Place at Ghiradelli Square is a fractional ownership property that's managed by Fairmont, and you can stay here just as a regular hotel guest, night by night, whatever. And then you can also buy the residences either as fractional ownership, or you can buy them outright. A few of the units here are owned by people, and they're luxury apartments where the people live full-time, or not necessarily live full-time, but they own them full-time. So this is one of the complex's spectacular 2-bedroom bay view apartments. And as you can see, we have a true, amazing, beautiful, sweeping bay view. As I said, this is the Ghiradelli chocolate factory, and these are the original 19th century brick walls. And let me give you a tour of this. I keep saying spectacular, but that's the only way to describe it. So starting out, let's start out over here. So we have the cool brick, exposed brick walls. We have the big windows that frame these spectacular views of the entire bay. You can almost see the Golden Gate Bridge, and obviously right there is Alcatraz. So we have a living room area, and we have an amazing sharp flat screen TV, and then we have a whole seriously strong stereo system and surround sound system, but really powerful music system. We have a fireplace, a gas fireplace that does work, and again, nice little seating area here. Very high ceilings, feels like a loft. You know, like a downtown loft somewhere, which I guess it is a loft. And then we have a dining room here. And they have a daily little cocktail reception. So I had some wine and some cheese, and they sent up some cupcakes for me because I was sitting in traffic and I was not happy, so I needed some cupcakes. And so this is the kitchen area. I have a little work desk over here. And real beautiful books about San Francisco and art books and things like that. And then we have a full kitchen with a little, since we're in Northern California, we have a little wine refrigerator. Then we have a convection oven. We have a stove. The cabinets are filled with, you know, your plates and glasses and things like that. All this comes as you check in. And then we also have a dishwasher right here, and then on this side, kind of hidden, but we have a horizontal refrigerator and freezer under there. Coffee maker, Nespresso maker, you know, all the stuff that you need. Again, all your silverware and stuff like that. Even dish soap and paper towels were here when I got here. So fully stocked kitchen. We have this little island that's connected to the dining room table there. And let's continue the tour. So again, this is kind of the front space with those spectacular views of Alcatraz out there. Again, this is a 2-bedroom luxury apartment. So we do have a washer and dryer in there. You have a little hall closet here for storage. And then we have 2 bedrooms. So let me show you, I guess, the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. Again, this is a 2-bedroom luxury apartment. And not sure what street this is. I forget what street it is. But again, we're right at the Ghiradelli Square in the heart of San Francisco. Again, we have the exposed brick walls. Very nice bedroom. This is, I'd call this the 2nd bedroom. And then over here we have a full closet. And then this is the 1st bathroom with a very nice marble vanity there. And this has a shower. And then we have a little toilet room over here. And you have some of these original columns from the original chocolate factory building. Some very cool artwork on the walls. And then moving in, I like this piece too, kind of a Japanese print. And then this, I guess you might call the master bedroom. It's a little bit bigger. Oh, I thought that was a cable car. It's just a bus going by. So again, we have views of the very expensive houses in this neighborhood. And then love these, look at those high ceilings. Love the high ceilings. As you can see, we have surround sound in this room too. You can see the speakers up there. And a very nice bed. And there's another closet over here with a safe. And again, because this is a Fairmont, yes, this is a luxury apartment, but you have room service, you have maid service, and you can even get room service from a couple of the restaurants that are downstairs in Ghiradelli Square. So you have a little, you can get room service from the restaurants down in Ghiradelli Square, so you have a cool selection as to what you can get for the room service. It's not just stuff that's made by the hotel. So you have your little toilet room in there, and then look, you have this big kind of combo shower and bathtub here, which is funny because someone can take a shower and then someone else can take a bath right there. But call this the master bathroom. So I wanted to show you a quick view at night, what the suite is like. So as you can see, you have both sheers and full shades that come down and cover all the windows. There's also a sheer for the front door because the front door is glass here. And because my fiance and some friends are coming later, I haven't pulled that one down, but you can pull that one down, and that way you get complete privacy. And on both sides, the door has a sheer, but both sides have not only sheers, but they have the full curtains. You can see that one is up, and that one I have pulled down. So just wanted to show you what it looked like at night. And also we've got the lovely gas fireplace going, and it's cool because it really does look like logs with the embers down below there. And we've been playing the DirecTV and the stereo, which is quite good. And you have the built-in speakers. The hotel has a house car that'll take you anywhere you want. I think it's within a couple miles of the hotel property. And let me take you inside. So this is kind of like, you know, other than the size of the units, it's kind of like a boutique luxury hotel. So we don't have a huge lobby, but we do have, you know, your reception and concierge people that help you check in and things like that. And then I believe there's a dining room where they have kind of a daily breakfast, and then they have an afternoon cocktail hour and wine tasting. And if I can show you real quick, right down here, again, this is kind of the lobby, the common area. We have a fitness center. As you can see, we have a nice, compact, yet well-stocked or well-equipped fitness center. You've got a little bit of a view there, but you've got a bunch of different machines and things like that. And then we have other things. They have bike rentals that are for guests, or bike loans that you can get, and other activities. So again, just kind of a small, compact lobby here.